Hello, Matt. Tom DeBotlo here. I'm having trouble getting the pictures into the new OsClass software. I just downloaded, got the new remote desktop. Here it is. Here's the information in case you need it, which I know you will. And here's the username and the password. Okay, so this is what the situation is. When I get in there, I set up my ad. Okay, everything seems to be okay. I hit save, it saves, everything is good. The problem is when it comes to putting in the picture. And so what I do is I click on here, and this is where it goes to. It goes to picture. Every previous one goes to someplace different, documents or downloads or whatever. And today, the folder goes to pictures, which is fine. So the problem is when I go to put the picture in, I go to my file. This picture, if you look closely, it says dimensions 229 by 241. I just made it smaller. So I right click on it, I copy it. Now watch what happens when I put it in. Okay, put in a picture. So watch, it's going to disappear. Paste. Copy, replaced, yeah. Nothing happens. Paste. So, what do I do? It's all images. And put in here, and I can't do it. Control V. This keeps showing up. There's already a file with that name, but where the heck is it? Okay. And that's always happened on all the previous OsClass emitter software. I can never find the pictures I need. Okay, open this up, nothing happens. Okay, so I hit Save Project. Okay, I go to Submit it, and I'll stop it right now and then continue. This site, $5 classified, says can't be reached. Well, now it's connected. Okay. It's logging in. It's got the email I've constantly been using. Everything is correct. This is the latest version of Google Chrome. Still seems to be having problems. Now it's just jumped over to classified ads. This keeps showing up no matter what site I'm on. It does that first, and then this is what happens. So there's something going on with this. It's just not working correctly. Could you check it out, please, and see what the status is? I get this far. I can get into it. I wait 15 seconds. There's something going on. It says it's finished, but as you can see here, that's still there. 1 out of 3, and I can't even find this. If we had previews before we could submit it, that would be great. You always want us to submit ideas to you. If we can preview our ads before we, start sending it, that would be great. I'd appreciate, you checking this out and see if you can find something that I haven't found yet. I have the setup here. I've done everything in Notepad first. This is the HTML code. This is the headlines, all straight in a row, the keywords all straight. I just don't know what else to do. I appreciate your assistance. Thank you, Matt. Bye.